Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we're back in the studio. We're going to be installing our new VStream windshield on this great looking 2024 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is going to be the same installation instruction for all 2022, 2024 models. It's going to be a simple upgrade. It's going to be great performance going down the road. All you need is one little 4mm Allen wrench. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to get started with taking stock windshield off. So just take your 4mm Allen wrench, just go ahead and unbolt from the bracket. Now, on a stock bolt, there is a little plastic washer. You want to make sure you hold on to these because these will be reused. You want to make sure when you're taking the last bolt out, always hold on to the windshield so you don't drop it or scratch anything on the bike. Right, we decided we're going to go with our short dark tint VStream for this model. Looks great. It's going to give really good effect, being the black on black look. Going to give a really nice aggressive look. So to begin installation, let's go ahead and line it up on the well nuts. You just want to snug these up when you're first starting so you can have room for to make any little adjustments and move stuff around. Makes it a little easier to do so. Go ahead and tighten it down with your 4mm Allen. You don't want to go super tight with it. You just want to snug them up so they're nice and firm on there. All right, now that I got that tightened down, you always want to go ahead. This is a safety thing. Go ahead, check the clearance where we're checking your front end, both sides. Just to make sure you don't have any problems, especially if aftermarket components on the bike, you're not hitting the windshield at all. And if you're all clear, you're good to go. All right, and there you have it. Very simple installation. Looks great on the bike. Give you great performance. Give you nice wind protection going down the road. What can you say? It's a perfect windshield for this bike. So if you have any questions about this windshield or any of our products, visit our website, nationalcycle.com. Visit us on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and check out our YouTube channel for this video and all of our videos on our products. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your ride.